Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2019 Mathematics Past Question 22. If 7 is subtracted from twice a certain number, the result is the same as adding 5 to the original number. Express this statement as an equation. Express the statement as an equation. So we have to express this statement as an equation, and like we know, when we say the word equation, equation simply means what? Balance. So we are trying to what? Create an equation. We are ensuring that both sides of this equation is balanced. Now let's start. They said if 7 is subtracted from twice a certain number. Now certain number, let's pick a certain number now. Let's say x is our number. So our certain number now is what? Is x. Let's use x now. And they say 7 is subtracted from twice a certain number. So twice a certain number simply refers to what? 2x. 2x. So we have what? 2x. And it says 7 is subtracted from twice a certain number. That means what? 2x minus 7. Because our certain number is x. And they say twice this number, which is 2 times x, which is 2x. So, and it says 7 is subtracted from this number. So we have what? 2x minus what? Minus 7. We have 2x minus 7. Now, they say the result is the same as adding. Now, this the same here, we bring what? We bring in our equation sign. And like we know, this is the equation sign, equal to. So the result is the same as, and like I told you, I say what? Equation simply means what? Balance. So since it is the same as, we introduce our equation sign and say, okay, that means 2x minus 7 is equal to the same as adding 5 to the original number. Meaning what? Our original number here is x. The certain number, our original number is x. Now, adding 5 to x will be what? X plus 5. Just like when you have what? When you have 2 and you want to add 5 to 2, you say 7. But because we don't know x is an unknown. So x is an unknown. X is an unknown. X is an unknown. So adding 5 to x now will be what? X plus 5. So here we now have what? We have x plus what? X plus 5. Now they say express this statement as an equation, and like you see from the statement, we've gotten our equation already. 7 is subtracted from twice a certain number. Our number is x, twice the number is 2x, because 2 times x will give us 2x. Since x is unknown, then minus 7. This is it. This is the first part. Then they say it is the same as, meaning it is equal to adding 5, this 5, to the original number, which is our x. Now express the statement as an equation. Now this is our equation. Our equation says what? 2x minus 7 is equal to x plus 5. Now let's go to the option and check which of these is our correct answer. A here says 2x minus 7 is equal to x plus 5. B says x minus 2 is equal to 5 plus x. C says 2x plus 7 is equal to plus 5. And D here says 2x minus 7 is equal to minus 5 plus x. From this now you see that what? A here correspond with our answer. 2x minus 7 is equal to x plus 5. That is twice the number x minus 7 from which 7 is subtracted is equal to, or is the same as adding 5 to this original number x. So you see what? A is our answer. 2x minus 7 is equal to x plus 5. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel to get more of our videos.